greetings, abundant blessings to you, my healthy, wealthy family. Yay, we're back with another one. Hey, we're back with another one. Woohoo! Now, if you're new here, I am Charlene, the founder and owner of Infinite Wellness and Coaching, where I take you through a wonderful journey of healing mentally, spiritually, and physically. Just making you aware of the fact that you're already well. You just have to become aware of it. You're not broken. You are well. Now, on this channel, I focus on building true wealth. When I say true wealth, I mean we're talking not just finances. Yes, we love finances. We love being materially rich. But we're also talking about spirituality. Getting your mindset comfortable with being spiritually and materially wealthy. We're bringing it all together. We're looking at the entire wealth pie: relationship, health, money, spirituality. We're bringing it all together where we live a balanced, truly wealthy life. Now, if that feels like you're kind of jazzed, subscribe and join the wealthy family. If you're back, welcome back. Thank you for rolling with me, my OG family subscribers. Much love and blessings. Now, in this one, we're going to focus on affirmations. Why don't affirmations work? Have you been one of those people that you're doing affirmations and they're not working for you? Then this video is for you. I'm here to tell you that affirmations do work, but they may not have been working because you're not feeling it. Why aren't you feeling it? Here are some reasons that you might not be feeling or vibrating with affirmations. For instance, I'm from Guyana, so I speak Guyanese language, meaning that, okay, my English is not always, let's say, the Queen's English or UK type of English. So there's some words that vibrates better with who I am. Let's say you might be from Jamaica or from the US or let's say Puerto Rico. There's some languages, some words that vibrates deeper with who you are based on your culture or your upbringing. So let's take an affirmation of I am successful, right? Or something like I communicate clearly. That might not, the way I said it might not resonate with everyone. So you want your affirmations to work for you by first reinterpreting the words. You can make your affirmations work for you by reinterpreting the words that are laid out to make sense for you. Reinterpret the words to vibrate with the way you vibrate. Use words that really mean something to you, because in order for your affirmations to work, you have to feel it. It's not just saying it, it's also feeling it. So get in the vibration of feeling what you're saying. In the beginning though, you may not feel it. You know that saying, fake it till you make it, fake it till you make it? This is what you have to do, because repetition will help that energy, those words that you're saying, to sink into your subconscious mind. And when it sinks into your subconscious mind, this is where your breakthrough comes. This is where you break free from your old norms. But you have to repeat the affirmations and you have to put the energy and vibrations into it. Every affirmation video I make, I try to remember to tell people to interpret it into their own words. Make it vibrate with who you are. So reinterpret the affirmations, feel it. And then you will start to believe it, and then you will start to experience it. You will start to live those affirmations. And remember, in the beginning, when you're doing affirmations, that little voice, yes, that beautiful little voice, that could be naughty sometimes, or you might say negative, it's going to come up. It's going to fight you and say, oh, but no, you're not successful, or no, you're not wealthy, or no, you don't pay your bills on time. Girl or boy, what are you doing? You have to speak back to that voice. You have to now create a bigger voice to talk that negative voice away. I'm not saying ignore it. You have to speak to that voice. You have to say, listen, That's probably who I was, or that's who I was. But the new me, I am successful. I am wealthy. Even if I don't see it in my physical environment right away, that's okay. I know I am wealthy. And you keep holding on to that vibration and that feeling of wealth, no matter what it look like. Bills are coming due. You may not have the finances to cover it. It's okay. The best thing you can do is to still hold on to your vibration of wealth. And I'm not just talking financial wealth. I'm talking spiritual wealth. I'm talking relationship wealth. So let's say you don't have the financial wealth at the moment. Look at the abundance around you, the abundance of air, the abundance of leaves on the trees, the abundance of sand on the beach. Look at things that makes you feel abundant. Look at that and get into that energy of abundance. And do not let your circumstances or your situation dictate. Your feelings are your vibration. You have to rise above it so that you can break through. So that you can break through and come to that end result that you are working on manifesting. You got this, fam. I believe in you. And if you don't believe in you yet, I'll hold space for you and believe in you, because you know what? I know that you have something very special in you. And it's called success. It's called greatness. It's called uniqueness. It's called you. Whatever your name is. Beautiful, powerful soul. So keep shining, keep doing your thing. Stay tuned to the channel, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Definitely hit that like. It definitely helps the channel to grow. And if you think this video can help someone that you know or the people in your community, please share it out on your social media. Share it out with your loved one. Let's grow true wealth together. And be sure to check out the merch store. I'll put a link for that in the description section. Thank you for your time. Abundant blessings to you. And remember, affirmations work because you make it work with the energy you put into it and the vibration. Be well.